This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Larry Hahn. A new tile roof was installed in April 2023, plus total storm protection west/electric shutters at the front and rear plus accordion shutters on side windows on this immaculate, lakefront, Crown Colony house. With 2 bedrooms, den, and 1,784 square feet under air with no pool to maintain, it's a great house for easy, low-cost maintenance. There is room for a custom pool. Interior updates include Cambria quartz countertops in the kitchen and baths, bamboo wood flooring in BRS and den, new AC 2021, West/H 2016, exterior paint 2022, upgraded SS appliances, plantation shutters, custom verticals for sliders, LED lighting, upgraded faucets, and 2-car garage. Crown Colony is one of the few communities west of Route 41 with dry interiors as it is elevated and drains well with 21 retention lakes for beauty and function. Low HOA fees include a 24/7 attended security gate, 24/7 fitness center, community pool, 4 Har-Tru tennis courts, full lawn maintenance, Xfinity fiber optic cable TV, DVR, and high-speed internet. The golf club at Crown Colony, the site of the $1.5 million 2022 LPGA Drive-On Championship, is in great condition and open for dining and play, with social or golf membership optional. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Hahn at 239-898-8789.